Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We want to solve this Rubik's Cube. The last time I told you we want to solve it layer by layer. So this is one layer, this is two layers, and this is the last layer. So we don't want to solve it as one side, but as layers. The first layer, not like this is a yellow side, this is a red side. It has 6 sides, so we don't solve it with the sides but layers. Yeah, so we consider this middle color. Like this one is white, here it's green, yellow, red, blue. So white is always opposite to yellow, green opposite to blue, and red opposite to orange. Yeah, so we know that if you want to make a white side, we should consider this middle thing. So all the colors must come to this white. If you want a red, we look at where the red is. So we should bring all the reds here, because this one doesn't move, but all these ones move. We can move the right side, the left side, the face, the back of it, bottom, everywhere, but this one does not move, the middle one. Yeah, so let me scramble it and then we start. Can scramble in any way. And try to scramble it completely. Yeah, for example, this way we have scrambled it. At least it's not you can look at any color. We can start from any color. For example, you can start with a blue. We consider this middle blue, so all those blues must come to this side. So to start off, we need to make a cross. So the easiest way to remember, I always say at the cross is where we have every answer. So that's my easiest way. So I start with the cross. We make a blue cross, so that here it's a blue, here it's a blue, here it's a blue, here it's a blue. It becomes a blue cross. So the easiest way to do a cross, we look at the middle blues, everything in the middle but not the corners. Like this one is a corner, so it cannot come at the center, but anything else in the middle that is blue can come to this to make it a cross. So we start with the layer that is up. For example, here we have a blue, so that one is okay. Here we have another blue, so we bring this blue to the middle layer, anywhere in the middle layer. For example, this way, it's in the middle layer, and we look where we can make it to go to make it across. For example, this blue can come here. We just bring it up the right side, so we are left with this and this. We look at this up layer again. If there is any other blue, there is no blue here in the middle. We go to the second layer. We look if there is any other blue. There is no blue in the middle layer, so we go to the bottom layer. For example, we have this blue, we have this blue, so those are the two blues we're looking for. Yeah, so this thing can turn 180 degrees to the upside. So anything that is blue in this face, as in for example this one, we can bring it 180 degrees to the up direction. For example, I'm trying to say this, so it has come here. We can look at another blue which is here. You can see when you bring this thing up, it will destroy this one, and when you bring it here, it won't come here again. So we can bring it at this side. When we bring it up, it doesn't come. So what we do, we bring it to the middle layer. So the middle layer is the answer of everything. So we bring it to the middle layer. You can see if you can do this, it doesn't come. So if it doesn't come, we go to the other direction this way and we bring it up. Yeah, I think it's hard for someone if it's the first time, We can try another color, for example red. We go to the red, it must be in the middle. We want to bring reds here and here, so we have two reds here. We want to make another red here and here. We start with the layer, the first layer. For example, we have a blue here in the middle. We don't look at the corners first. This one, we bring it to the middle layer, that is the second layer here, and we look. If you bring it here, we will remove this one here. We don't want to remove because we want a cross, so I bring it to the other side here. I think you can see. Then we bring it up, it has come. We want this one again. We look at the up layer, we don't have any other red in the first layer, so we go to the middle layer, there is no red again. We go to the bottom layer, we consider this face first, there is no red. If there was a red, we just turn it 180 degrees, so it's here. So you can look, when you bring this way, it will destroy this other red, so we bring it here. If we bring it to the top, it doesn't come because it's not directly opposite to this side, so we bring it to the middle layer here, so that way, yeah. When we bring it here, it won't come, so we bring it to the other direction, then up, we have a red cross. Yeah, you can repeat watching this video 1 or 2 times and you'll understand it. Practice makes perfect. Yeah. So to the second thing, you want to consider the color, the immediate color after the red. So you can see we have a red cross, so you want to look at this color, this colors, red, the immediate one. For example, this one, we have a yellow here, so we consider a yellow, we must have a yellow here. For example, this one is a green, we must have a green here. A blue here, we must have a blue here. White. For example, this one is complete, so you want to go to this other one. So you can see if you bring this one, it will be a yellow, but again this white has gone. So what we do, we turn it 100 degrees down. So we said when you bring it 100 degrees, this face will go to this other side. For example, a red comes to this other side. So you know, if you bring it up, it will just come to the same place. So you look at this red. So the red, we consider the yellow. We want the yellow to match with another yellow. So we go around to look for a yellow. Here it is a yellow. We turn it 180 degrees up. But look, there is one that has gone down again. We look at it, it's here. When we turn it 180 degrees, it will just come to the same place. So we consider a green. Here it's a red, we look at a green. So we go for a green. Here it's a green. We go 180. You can see if we turn it up, this one will go down again. So we'll check for this one, which is here. We go for a blue. We look for a blue. We search where the blue is, then we turn it to 180. So when we turn it to 180, there's nothing like a red here, so it will be okay. You can see now we have a blue, yellow, green, white, so that's okay. So we were doing this because we want to solve a layer and not a side. Yeah, you can see it is giving us direction that we have a white here, we have a blue here. We want all this face to be red and the whole layer to be okay. So what we do, we want a red that will come here. We are now in the corners. We are in the last process of the first layer. We are going for a corner. We want these corners to be complete. So the corner that will be here should have a white and a blue. That is what I'm meaning. For example, a corner that will be here should have a blue and a yellow, so that this one is a red, a blue and a yellow, so that this layer will be yellow, blue, white, green, and this one is red, the side. Yeah, so look at anything at the bottom, anything with a red at the bottom. For example, this one, it has a red, but it has a blue and a yellow. So you can see this one is a blue and this one is a white, so this corner is not for this place. We go to another side. For example, here we have a blue and a yellow, blue and yellow. So this color red belongs here, and a blue and a yellow. So what we do, I want to show you an easy formula. I know everybody knows how to write letter L, but we want to make an L that is opposite. So L looks like this. For example, this is an L. I think you can see this is an L, but we want to draw an L like that looks like this, an L that looks like this, and then we redraw. So we do like this again. So I know you can think otherwise, but this is what I want to say. We draw an L like this, and then we return it to the same place. We draw an L again, return it to the same place. You can see a red has come here. Just easy. We are just drawing L's. Yeah, we go to the bottom, we look at a red again. Here it's a red, white, and a green. We want a red, white, and a green, so that is okay. This one should come here and not this one that is here. You can see this one has a red, but it's blue. So we want this one to come here, so that a red is here, a green, and a white. So we draw L's. We just draw L's. An L like look like this, and then you redraw. So this is an L. You redraw again, an L slowly. Draw again. You draw another L, and it is up. You can see it has come here. We look at the bottom layer again. Here we should have a blue, a white, and a red. Blue, white, and a red. So this one should come here. We draw L's again. That it is the opposite. Other one, not this way, but this way. So this is an L, up again. So we are remaining with one corner. We match it to the place. So we know we only have another one red that is missing here, which is here. We just bring it to that corner. We draw L's again. Slowly, there's an L. You redraw again. You start by up. An L, up, an L until it comes, an L again until it comes, an L again. Here it is. So we have a red side, a yellow, a blue, white, green, yeah, that way. So this one layer solved. You can see it's a layer. So this layer is solved. So the second video you're going to have the second layer and then the third layer, and we'll solve all this thing together. Yeah, so you can watch this video again and again until you understand. It is so easy if you get it. So don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, comment. Yeah, you can say if you want to reach to me, my inbox, you can just comment. I'll reply to you. Yeah, thank you. That's for today.